So when you're trying to gain weight, like if you're like someone who's skinny, you're trying to build some muscle, put some weight on you, you have a certain amount of calories and a certain amount of protein that you need to eat. Now, when it comes to calories, you want to eat 300 calories more over your maintenance every day. So to calculate your maintenance, you can go on Google, go to calorie calculator, you type in your information, and it's going to tell you what your maintenance is. Now, you want to eat 300 calories more than that, and you want to do that for at least 2 to 3 weeks and see if you're gaining weight. If you're not, then you want to bump your calories up by another 300 and then give it another 2 to 3 weeks and then see what happens. The reason why we're bumping it up by increments of 300 and not just by by 1,000 is because if you eat way too many calories too quickly, you will gain a lot of body fat. When it comes to how much protein to eat, you want to eat at least 1 gram of protein for every pound you weigh. I recommend that you eat a little bit more than that. So let's say you weigh 130 pounds. You want to eat at least 130 grams of protein a day. But I would say try to go for like 140 or 150 grams of protein every day. Also, try to be strength training at least 3 to 5 days a week. Now, if you need a meal plan to follow that is going to be great for building muscle and putting on some weight, then you can get that from our website or you can download the fitness app. Also on the fitness app, we have workout programs.